Hello friends. Exoplanets are planets beyond our own solar system. Thousands have been discovered in the past 2 decades, mostly with NASA's Kepler space telescope. These worlds come in a huge variety of sizes and orbits. Some are gigantic planets hugging close to their parent stars, others are icy, some rocky. Here are 5 exoplanets which may look like Earth. 1. Gliese 667cc. Gliese 667cc was discovered in 2011 orbiting a red dwarf in the Gliese 667 triple star system, just 24 light-years away. It was found by the radial velocity method, which is a measure of the small movement a star makes as it responds to the gravitational tug of the planet. The planet's mass has been estimated at 3.8 times the Earth's, but we don't know its size. This is because the planet does not pass in front of the star, which would allow us to measure the planet's radius. With an orbital period of 28 days, it sits in the habitable zone of this cool star, with a possible surface temperature of around 5 degrees Celsius. 2. Kepler 452b. Kepler 452b was discovered in 2015 and was the first potentially Earth-like planet orbiting in the habitable zone of a star similar to our Sun. The planet's radius is 1.6 times that of the Earth and it takes 385 days to orbit its star, which is 1,400 light-years away. Because the star is too faint to measure its movement due to the gravitational tug by Kepler 452b, the planet's mass is unknown. However, it has been predicted to be at least 5 times that of the Earth, and the planet's surface temperature is estimated between -20 degrees Celsius and +10 degrees Celsius. 3. Kepler 438b. Kepler 438b has the highest ASA of any exoplanet known. Discovered in 2015 around a red dwarf star, significantly smaller and cooler than our Sun, it has a radius only 12% larger than Earth's. It orbits the star, which is 470 light-years from Earth, every 35 days and is in its habitable zone, the region around a star which is neither too hot nor too cold for orbiting planets to support liquid water on the surface. As with other discoveries by Kepler around faint stars, the planet's mass has not been measured, but if its composition is rocky, it may be only 1.4 times that of the Earth's with a surface temperature between 0 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. However, the ASA is not a foolproof method for classifying the Earth-like nature of a planet. It has recently been found that Kepler 438b's host star regularly sends out powerful flares of radiation, which may render the planet uninhabitable after all. 4. Kepler 442b. Kepler 442b is a planet 1.3 times the size of the Earth discovered in 2015. It is orbiting a star cooler than the Sun, about 1,100 light-years away. Its orbital period of 112 days places it in its star's habitable zone, but with a surface temperature that could be as low as -40 degrees Celsius. However, by comparison, the temperature on Mars can be -125 degrees Celsius near its poles in the winter. Once again, the exoplanet's mass is not known, but if it has a rocky composition, it may be only 2.3 times the mass of the Earth. 5. Kepler 62e and 62f. These 2 planets were discovered in 2013 with the Kepler telescope, which spotted their transits in front of their host star. This star, located about 1,200 light-years away from us, is somewhat cooler than the Sun. With planetary radius of 1.6 and 1.4 times that of the Earth respectively, Their orbital periods of 122 and 267 days mean that they both fall within the star's habitable zone. As with many other planets discovered by Kepler, their masses have not been measured, but are estimated at over 30 times the mass of the Earth in each case. The temperatures of each could permit liquid water to exist on their surfaces, depending on their atmospheric composition. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Give a thumbs up, comment and share.